with the clouds and rain. Well, the 30-day outlook for the month of March is calling for above average temperatures and above average precipitation. So we got a mild, wet stretch of weather that's going to be coming our way. That's going to start this week. The rain has already moved on in. Over the next 4 days, we'll go from highs in the 50s tomorrow to 60s on Thursday, and then warmer on Friday and Saturday with high temperatures in the 70s. But anytime you get temperatures in the 70s this time of year, you'll have to watch out for the possibility of strong to severe storms. So we'll be looking for that coming up later this week. For the overnight period, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall along and south of Interstate 70. So a flood watch continues on through 10 o'clock Wednesday morning, as some flooding is going to get going out there due to the snow melt and the rain that we've had over the past couple of days. So a very active weather scene is only going to continue for us over the next several days, as we got a daily chance of showers in the forecast for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rain and thunderstorms going to give us a pretty good soaking over the next several days. Flood watch in effect for tonight, but over the course of the work week right on through Saturday, some spots south of Interstate 70 will see 4 to 5 inches of rain. I know we're in drought right now. These drought busting rains are now going to cause some flooding. We'll see the rain continue across the area for the overnight period. Scattered showers are likely for us, and for tomorrow morning, we're going to start the day with a morning low temperature near 40, but we'll have some fog out there to get the day started tomorrow, so we'll start the day with visibility under 2 miles. Tomorrow's high at 54, 65 with showers and storms on Friday, and then rain and thunderstorms are likely on Friday and Saturday with high temperatures near 70. Daylight saving time starts this weekend. We'll cool things down on Sunday with a high at 59 and get back in the 60s for Monday and Tuesday.